Hi, welcome to this product demonstration. I'm John, FAE Manager at ATOP Technologies. At ATOP, we constantly strive to bring better solutions to our customers to solve their industrial automation and networking challenges. In the last episode, we looked at SE5901B Cellular Gateway. In this episode, we continue to look at the SE5901B series, but today we will focus on the SDK versions. So let's get started. The SDK versions are available in two variants, the standard SDK and the Nodered SDK. As the name suggests, this supports Nodered. Now let's try to understand what is included in the different versions. The standard SDK version includes ATOP customized Linux kernel and network protocols, ported, debugged and proven third-party applications, utilities and APIs to control the hardware in an easy and effective way. Example of source code is provided for ease of development. Now let's see what is included in the Nodered version with the embedded micro SD card. This includes the Nodered Visual Application Development Environment and Dashboard with automatic start on device boot up based on Node.js, different levels of security, customized Nodered APIs, integrated Modbus and MQTT stacks, integrated AWS, Azure, Google and IBM Bluemix nodes. Now let's take a moment to understand what is Nodered. Nodered is a programming tool for wiring together hardware devices, APIs and online services in new and interesting ways. It provides a browser-based editor that makes it easy to wire together flows using the wide range of nodes in the palette that can be deployed to its runtime in a single click. It is based on Node.js. The Nodered dashboard is an add-on module that lets you create live dashboards. Now that we are aware of the different versions and what is included, let's try to understand when to use which SDK. You can choose the standard SDK version if you're familiar with Linux OS, you have ANSI programming skills, your application is strictly time performance sensitive, your application has very critical exception handling requirements. On the other hand, you could choose the Nodered version if you are hands-on with a good understanding of protocols and data formats, you have some basic JavaScript knowledge, you don't have strict performance requirement and exception handling is not critical. You are looking for a simple, user-friendly and effective way to deploy your application to the cloud with a user-friendly monitoring dashboard. Now that we have explored the different versions and are aware of what is included in it and know when to use what, let's take a look at a live demo. One of the major use of the SE5901B Nodered is in the IoT application in today's Industry 4.0. To simulate this demo, we will configure the SE5901B as the MQTT publisher using the web-based Nodered console. Then we will configure the Amazon Web Services as our MQTT broker and subscriber. Now, SE5901B establish a secure MQTT TLS connection to the Amazon Web Services via the internet. Now, any data that is sent to any interface on the SE5901B is seamlessly updated on the cloud application as well. For this example, we will send data to the serial port of the device and the same string is read on the AWS console as well. Now let's try to take a look at this in action real time. So this is the AWS console online, and now we will try to send a message from the MQTT publisher, that is the SE5901B, and we will watch for it to be updated on this console. So you can see the first message is sent and it is updated on the cloud application online. Now we would send the second and third message, and you can see that is also updated immediately. This concludes today's session. I hope this was informative and you would consider using the ATOP SE5901B Nodered versions for building your IoT applications. Thank you.